Hey everyone, I'm back with a card reshare, I guess. I decided I needed a few cards for some family things and decided I would just give my older cards an upgrade that I had previously made and use them for these events. So I've got it's two graduations. One an undergrad and the other one PhD graduate, and they're sisters. So we're going to attend the party that they're having in honor of the two sisters. And so I needed cards for both. So let me show you what I used for the cards. This is some ribbon. I believe Vicky sent this to me from Daiso years ago. This is checkered pastel green ribbon, and it's only because I already had the colors for the card already set up, so I had to just go with what I had, right? I used this Royal Velvet ink for one card, this green parakeet from Paper Tray. These are all Paper Tray colors, and this lovely lady ink color. This stamp from Lawn Fawn. It is called Push Here. This is I don't know what they've got a lot of interactive ones. So I use this one. I use these LED stickers, the white blink, and of course the whole shebang with the battery. You need a battery and you need the tape as well. So I have that lighting kit. I use this MFT, I don't know what this is called. It's a zigzag stitch square. It's not a square, it's a rectangle. I probably have the square somewhere. So this is a rectangle. Use the large die here. Excuse me. This Paper Tray ink, I think this is the go-to gift card slider. It goes inside of their many holders that they have. Excuse me. And then I used a lot of the older sentiments that I have for graduation. This is Heather Nichols from 2011. Tagged's number 4. I used the little graduation cap there. And then these two here, Tucked In Congratulations. This is from 2015. That's a Don McVeigh stamp. Another one from Don. This one I used the Congrats, You Did It. Now it does have a die. This one in particular has a die that matches, and it's you can make it into a shaker. I didn't use the die. But in case you guys are wondering, here it is. It's a graduation cap with the tassel and then the word congratulations in there. And then you can make it a shaker if you feel like that. Again, I didn't use that, but that is the die that matches that sentiment stamp there. I think that's all that I used other than the existing cards that I had pre-made. Now, the first one for the one who is the undergraduate, she just finished. Interestingly enough, they both went to Swarthmore for undergraduate. I think the older, I don't know where her PhD was from, but anyway, this is a card that I remade. Now, I had already done a tutorial on how to do this sort of style of card, I guess. A lot of people tend to seem to like that, tutorial on the Northern Lights. So if you're interested in this video, I'll try and link it in the description box if you're interested in seeing that tutorial. But basically, if you pull this tab out, and I'm not going to do it because I won't be able to get that back in there. There's a battery right behind here, and some of the faux stars are going to light up, and it's right here, and the star itself from the sentiment, and that is a Paper Tray ink sentiment. I don't remember where it's from. But if you're interested in how I did this card front, all I did was cut the card that I had originally made and used it as a card front with a base here. And this is Royal Velvet, same as this ink. And then on the inside, I finally put a sentiment on the inside, and this is one of the stamps that I showed you. I really like this one. This is not the colors for Swarthmore. I believe it's maroon for some reason. I have a feeling it's maroon. I'm not sure. For those of you know, that's a private university in Pennsylvania, if you're interested. Anyway, so that's the first one. This is for the undergraduate. And then this other one I created some time back as well. And she's known for a while that she finally finished her PhD, and it was granted to her earlier this year. That takes a long process. She is a what was her study? Microbiology? No, biology, and her focus was great white sharks. So she's done a lot of research projects on great whites. Did some time overseas as well. But this was all during COVID, I believe, that she was out for. So this is the card for her, and I just created a little insert because we're going to add a check in here into this little bag. This bag is a bag from Paper Tray Ink, a bag die. This one right here. And I don't know if you guys remember this card, but I created it some years back and then finally stamped the inside of the card. So that's what I did. I just remade some cards that I already had because I didn't want to have to make entirely new cards, and why not check your stash to see if you have anything appropriate. I do think I'll be doing some more cards for this month because there's other events going on in the family. So I just wanted to share those with you and hope you enjoy them. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.